I was getting ready to make my, as I call my immunization knockout punch mix. And I figured maybe a lot of people don't know about it. So I figured let me come on TikTok or whatever platform I'm sharing this on. You use garlic, turmeric, garlic, turmeric, ginger, honey. And you cut them up. Like, normally I cut them up, but I say this time, I'm going to use keep the peel on. I normally keep the peel on, and then you just pretty much mix them all together. Cut them up however you fit. Do the same for the turmeric. I'm not gonna do that for the garlic. I'll come back and show y'all how it looks once it's completely done. Okay, so this is how it looks, the finished product. The grated garlic, turmeric, and ginger. And so what I do, I get a mason jar and I fill it up. This normally be good for about a week. And then I get honey and I just fill it up. I think I might have put too much turmeric stuff in here because normally I cover it, but I made extra since my husband got to take some too. So you just mix it together, and then you just get a spoonful. I let it sit in the refrigerator. Yep, and this is it. As you see, it's mixed together real good. Put that in the refrigerator. Then the rest of it, I take it and I freeze it. Put in the refrigerator. I may need probably about 2 bags, but put in the freezer. And then when I'm ready to make new ones, I just dump it out, let it unthaw, and recycle. So take this. You can take a spoonful of this, which is extremely nasty. I can't do a spoonful. Or you could make it as a tea. Get you a cup of hot water, take a spoonful of this, squeeze some lemon, drink it every day. Maybe twice, once in the morning, once at night. But if you have arthritis, if you have inflammation, if you have any kind of illness, it'll fight it, because all the goodness that's inside of here is better than any man-made medicine that you might take. So, peace out.